Okay guys, so today's vlog I would like to begin with this snack. So now as you can see what this is called. By the way, this is called litti. This is called litti. There are two littis in this envelope and it has a red chili. Can you guys see? Yeah, it has also a red chili and actually this is a as you can see paracetamol cerebrate rice. This is for pain reliever and for fever. By the way, today is guys 2nd January and today actually I am not feel like to shoot a vlog but still to make my mouth fluent. So that is why today I thought why not to shoot a vlog today even, right? So that is why I am guys recording this video even after not feeling good. And by the way, we all are here and actually these days we work at night. So that is why today in the day we are free. So that is why I thought why not to show you guys, right? And here just in front of me they are actually watching me and I am recording this video and they are walking to work. Okay, by the way, I want you to please watch this video until it very end because whatever I will do today I'm gonna show you the entire thing, right? So that is why I want you to please keep on watching. And here some of my friend and he's a guy who is working with me and that is why he is also going at the night time, so that is why he is sleeping still, right? And he is the guy who work in the day, right? So that is why he is getting ready. And here our beds look like sleeper. Okay, so by the way I would like to stop recording here because I don't think I can. Okay, by the way, first I have to, before we stop recording, first I would like to make my bed and this is my bed as you can see. By the way, hey, where are you lying down? Go to your own bed. And by the way, this bed is his. Right now I would like to make my bed because I like to see things organized, right? So that is why first I would like to make my bed. Okay, so first let me finish, then we'll talk next. So I just made my bed. So now as you can see, by the way, here I have a question for you guys. Do you guys also make your bed to yourself in the morning? Please let me know in the comment below. Okay, so for now I would like to stop recording. By the way, if you are enjoying this video so far, so please give it a like and you can subscribe to the channel for more such kind of content. So for a while I would like to stop recording, guys. Okay, so by the way, what this is called? This is called a belt and it goes to our pant because right now we are going to our lab. So before we going, it is necessary to fasten my belt to not goes down again and again my pant, right? So that is why first I would like to fasten my belt and then we will move to our lab. Okay guys, so right now I am out from my house and I am going to show you the place where we work, right? This is called the plant, right? And here, by the way, we don't work here, right? We just work inside this lab, right? This room is called a lab where we work. And right now we have come to attendance here, right? First we have to give it the fingerprint and then it consider attendance, right? And by the way, I don't need to give it the but I don't need to attendance here because I am working these days under a ठेकेदार, right? Or I don't need attendance here. And now as you can see, this is the place where we work. Just here we work, right? And now I'm going to show you. There are some of the, what this is called? This is called cube, right? By the way, we call it cube here. Our job is just to fill this pot, right? Okay guys, so right now we are sitting inside the JCB and by the way, I have a dream. Yes, I also have a dream to drive or operating JCB. Yes. Actually, here I see just in front of our view. Here I see there is a JCB parking here. So why not to see just by coming closer of it, right? So that is why right now we have came here and once at a time I'm gonna learn. Yes, sooner or later I will have to learn driving or I will have to operating JCB. Okay, so right now I'm going to show you the camera. Now as you can see. And also this is the front side, right? This is the wheel or that is called a handle. And he is the driver of this JCB, right? And now this boy want me to climb on his back. Mhm. Done. Okay, so now just after coming inside our room, and now I wanna edit my video by lying here. Yes, I just lie down, and now it's time to edit my 1st January video. By the way, guys, if you haven't my previous video, so please I want you to watch this video because there are lots of cooking related English sentences where you can learn, right? And it will help, or if you want to express those sentences related to cooking while cooking, then that video can help you. So please go ahead and watch that video. Okay guys, so right now here we are playing cricket instead working here today. Okay guys, so here there is a small river and we are just passing by this small river. Also the place where we are going right now, and it's the same place, and left to the left there is a Mumbai airport, and also I'm going to show you guys if it is possible to see, right? So please keep on watching. So finally we just reached to the place where we had to come, and I am getting off from this JC, right? And also guys, this place is called the lab where it's oil, right? And now as you can see there are lots of cars here, so there are lots of trucks, and here it is. This is the airport, Mumbai airport, right? Okay guys, so right now I try to show you the Mumbai airport properly, right? By the way, it is a bit distant, so that is why it is not possible to show you clarity, right? But yeah, I try my best to show you, right? And by the way, it is huge because it is international. We can't even see the entire airport, right? From our room, and he has come to bring our meal. Okay, so let's move to the garden. Here there is a little garden. I want to show you. Jai Hind. Here is a flag. So here let's explore the new places of this place. Oh my god, here there are lots of truck and JCB and even bulldozers, right? Okay guys, here we have to wait for half an hour because the man who is filling oil is busy with another car or another truck, right? So that is why. Now here we have come to see the garage. This is the huge garage where these cars, truck and even bulldozers and JCB are repairing here, right? Okay guys, so right now I have get closer to the airport, but still I am not able to show you guys properly because of this wall, right? It's a huge wall and all around this airport, right? And here there is a lake here, and it has heron. The bird is called heron, right? So right now we are heading to the place where we were before. This is small places. What this is called? Where is water? What this is called? Now as you can see, there are a bunch of pits here, right? This is called the pits that makes our car dusty, right? This is the JCB. That's who we came here. Now I am just sitting here in the sand of this house because it's sunny today, right? And it is very difficult to walk in the sun. So that is why I thought why not we have a rest by sitting here. So right now we have just started to fill our JCB or the tank. And here there is the JCB number, and here it has written DT.482. It's a JCB. Right now I just got back to our room, and now it's time to have a shower. Okay guys, so right now I just took a shower. And hey, what are you cooking here? Okay, still chicken. You are reheating.
By the way, right now I am looking for oil bottle to apply oil into my hair and to my body. I got it.
This tool is called a comb. I am making my hair with the help of this comb by sitting on the floor. And now, just after making my hair, now it's time to have lunch.
And by the way, my friends, they are eating right now, and just after then, and it's our turn.
Okay, guys, so now it's my time to serve myself. First, I'm gonna untie. Oh my god, I am having trouble to untie this envelope with one hand. Before we start eating, first I would like to show you everything. So now, as you can see, it has this is a pouch of mango, right? It has pickle, and I'm gonna tear it open, and it has rice and plus, and it has cauliflower and potatoes and onion. Okay, let's enjoy the meal. So we just finished having meal and now it's time to have a nap. Yes. And by the way, right now my bed is busy here, so that is why I moved to the. Okay, guys. So I just took a nap and also I went to the washroom to dress up. So now, as you can see, I just washed my face and my feet, right? And now. Actually, a bit later. Actually, this is the end clip of this vlog because it's getting dark. I took a nap for 2 hours, right? It's 2 or maybe 3 hours, right? Yes. Okay, so I hope you guys learned something new from this video. If you did, please give it a like, share, and subscribe for more such kind of learning content. Okay, so that's about today, and guys, bye bye.